Got it here, Blade HQ Desert Warrior Boker Plus 2.0 Kalashnikov. So Kalashnikov is like a design of this handle, and this time around, instead of pink and blue, it's much better. Blue and pink blade. Look like a little dagger style, and it says Automatic Kalashnikov 74 Boker Plus AUS 8 steel. Pretty cool. And this is blue donut with sprinkles. Very comfortable knife, I cannot complain. This is more of a like a collector piece, or maybe weekend carrier, or like a donut day carrier, one of those. It's hilarious. It kicks so hard, I love it. It has this safety in here, initial push and second one. Let me just hold it with 2 fingers. It kicks nice, I like it. This is a high quality blade, and the Blade HQ exclusive have come out with this very successful Desert Warrior painted color knives. Very awesome, I like that. A while back I showed you this lighter. It is one of a kind. Well, guess what? Now it's actually on Amazon Prime and it's all black. Ooh, I see something else is really cool about this. So first of all, there's a symbol assembly. Interesting. And this right here is a little compartment. Does it really takes up such a big flint? Wow, that is amazing. And there's just instructions how to do it. Push to ignite. So pretty much push it this way. Wow, that's cool. So it's tightened up. Very lightweight. The one I showed you before is made like out of brass. Wow, check this out. So all I have to do is just break off a piece. Yeah, or cut off a piece to use it for the striker. So there's plenty of flint, and obviously there's available to replace it too. So it's lightweight, feels like aluminum, but this striker is very unique. All I have to do is just hit it right here and it sparks up. So the way to fill it is open it right here. Okay, simple as this. Fill it up, and once we're satisfied how full it is, put the cap back on. Okay, that looks saturated. Now let's turn up the camera and hit it, and we have like a little lighter that is actually takes quite a bit of space, and it's quite safe. So if I need to light up a fireplace, all I have to do is just hit it this way, and I have a really nice and long lighter. This is quite unique and one of a kind. And pull it up to put it away from flames. Okay, one more time. Hit it, light heat, and there's a full little lighters in there. Makes it a nice flame, perfect for bonfire, fireplaces, and so on. And it's quite safe to reach into, like wood and stuff. One more time. Beautiful. I really like that lighter. It's one of a kind for sure. This is all black, and it's aluminum. Before I showed you one, it was brass. So this is a definitely upgrade because it is much lighter. Got myself CRT Confidence in Hand fryer. Not sure how to pronounce it. Let's see what's about. I really like that packaging right here. So it is a little camp axe. Does not come with the sheath, but it's quite unique. Check this out. There's a name for it. Rush Design. It's hefty enough to where it would be nice to like chop firewood. It has a hammer. Look at that wedge. So it's not coming off from there for a long time. Also, it is quite thick, so it would be good for splitting smaller pieces of firewood, and it would be easy to chop for like to the wood. Perfect for camping, that's for sure. On knife or tool too. Let's see what it's all about. Okay, first of all, this is called Karabina. There's Phillips head screwdriver, a little wrench, and there's a blade, and it's like an X-Acto knife, so it'll be very easy to open up boxes and stuff. Also it's replaceable. Let's see how this comes out. Yep, just like that. And to slide it back in, just go into here. So no sharpening needed, just like X-Acto knife. It's just replaceable, and it's like a almost like a magnetic lock. Pretty cool. I like that Karabina. What is this? Oh, this is a screw that holds the blade. Very cool. Premium tape dispenser. Thought I would give it a shot. Let's see what this thing is all about. It opens up this way, and then I'm going to slide in my tape. Okay. Then I'm going to take off a piece of tape right here. Start it out. And it goes through here. Ooh, it's a roll. Cool. And it goes like that. That's it. You need to be locked in all the way. And that's it. Wow, that was easy to remove a piece. Just pull it, then lock it. Wow, that is easy. Okay, let's try to tape something. So I got right here a box. Let's say we need to tape it up. First of all, this is incredibly comfortable with 2 fingers. Holds it all together right here. So I'm gonna put it down, tape it, and like roll it all the way down, and lock it right here. Easy. Okay, one more. Let's say we need to tape this section. Wow, that is sharp. So it's kind of grabs on really easily. If I tape it on one side, cut it off right here. So one hand, it's super easy. Anyways, really cool, very easy to dispense a piece, and also very easy to remove and put a new piece in there too. And it holds in there really tight. Work Sharp Sharpener Precision Adjust Elite Knife Sharpener. So let's see what's about. Comes with a very nice case. So I could probably bring it with me anywhere. Pretty durable. Oh, cool. There's instruction. There's my sharpener, different sharpeners. Oh, cool. So this is the knife holder. Untwist that. Okay, there you go. Wow, cool. Okay, let's set this up super quick, and it will lock in the back. There you go. Sweet. What do we need? This looks like magnets, so doesn't matter which way. Doesn't look like. Oh wow, that is interesting. How do I flip it over? Haven't figured it out yet. Okay, it's open. We got that to sharpen my zero tolerance, and it's beat up. I see some pieces missing out there. It is terrible. We'll start with the probably 320. So how does this turn around? 320, 220, 400. Okay, it locks in like that on a magnet, and it's quite smooth. I'm right-handed, so I'm probably gonna put the knife this way. Okay, and then tighten it up. I have zero experience in sharpening knives, so it just proves it how easy it is to set one of these things up. That is cool. Ooh. Okay, do I just pull it out and flip it? I guess so. Yeah, I can put that to the side. It's quite tight. Yeah, that's it. It's locks in. Now I have to just go do the same motion the other way. Yeah, I do not see dents on it anymore, so I could probably flip it to much finer blade. 320, 400. Let's do a little bit with the 320. Locks in. Yeah, I barely don't see the dent at all. I don't know if it's 25 degrees is a good ideal like blade sharpening on this knife, but you know what, I tried out. Look at that. I just go from up and down and then to the end. Oh, okay, then I can go much finer, and let's see if I can smooth it out. Both of this one's 800, and there's like a stone, or not really sure what this is. This is so easy. Oh yeah, much smoother right here. I can't believe how easy it is to sharpen up this side here, $250 knife. So this is worth it. And that knife was beat up. I bought it used, and I've been using it a lot. Okay, now I'm gonna twist it. Let's see what happens with this one. Nice. Okay, pull it out. Oops, twist it. Now going to do the same thing with the other side, and we'll look at the result. Wow, that edge looking good, looking really shiny. Okay, now I'm gonna burn out something else. Going to lock this in and pull this one out. Interesting what this one will do. Okay. Oh wow, it don't make any noise almost, but it is polishing it pretty much. Look at that. I don't see any like sharpness on it. I guess I can go this way too. Interesting. There's definitely a good practice. Before and after, I remember seeing this like pieces missing right here, and this looks like perfectly sharpened. I could definitely sharpen it up over here a little bit more, much deeper, but it is a lot better than it used to be. Definitely don't see any more dents on the blade now that it's sharp, so I could keep using it a long time. So either way, you can go this way to sharpen it up. Just very easy to take apart, put it away. I really like it. Knife sharpener, probably the easiest knife sharpener I worked with.